Welcome everyone to another Language Broker English lesson. Today we learn new vocabulary words that have to do with the calendar. It's very important to know your calendar English vocabulary. So let's get started. Date. Date. What is today's date? What is today's date? Today's date is March 1st. New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. Days. Days. What are the days of the week? Let's begin. Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. The next English calendar word that you need to know is week. Week. Weekday. Weekday. Weekend. Weekend. What 2 days are on the weekend? Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Months. Months. It's important to know how to say the 12 months in English. So let's begin. December. December. January. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. Great job. Let's continue learning more words. Year, year. Birthday, birthday. What month is your birthday? My birthday month is August. Seasons, seasons. It's also important to know how to say the seasons in English. So let's begin. Winter, winter. It is cold in the winter. Spring, spring. I love to see the flowers bloom in the spring. Summer, summer. I love the hot weather in the summer. This last season can be said two different ways in English. The first word is autumn. Autumn. You can also say fall. Fall. I love the colors of the leaves when they change in the fall. I love the colors of the trees when they change in the fall. All right, good job, good job. You just learned some more vocabulary words, and now you're able to say a lot of calendar words in English. As always, please practice, 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 because the more you practice, the better your English will become. Practice using each of these words in a sentence. That is all for today. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. I hope you're enjoying the lessons. Please leave comments below. Let me know what lessons and vocabulary words you'd like to learn and see in the future. Thank you. Bye.